Hiccup boy. You hiccuping for Rainy?
Yeah.
Are you hiccuping for Rainy?
Here,
I can't believe that.
he's like, scratch me.
Oh, everybody's getting into this act. Look at this dog over here. Hiccup. Hiccup. What are you doing? You're okay now.
Okay.
Yay, good. Oh!
Oh, hair. Look at that.
I can't wait to pull that hair. I just wish I could focus on it.
Yeah. He's like, where is it?
Here's Sadie.
Just when you think he's done.
What are you trying to say? He doesn't seem to ever get tired of it though.
Stretches them out and then curls them back
Hey, hey, what's going on? Oh my. Okay.
Sadie, she's not afraid to go up there at all. Riley's not, but